Hello, Peter checking in. Day 14 of our meditation series. Wow, day 14, nearly halfway through. So meditation is selfish behaviour. What? Meditation is selfish behaviour? No, no, no. When you get on an airplane, right, and you get a steward or stewardess telling you about if there's going to be a problem with the plane, like the plane's going to crash, who do you put the oxygen mask on first? Do you go to other people or do you put it on for yourself? You obviously put it on for yourself so you can help other people. Meditation is connecting with yourself on a more deeper level, so you're getting rid of the stress, the anxiety, all the negative stuff that we experience in our lives, so that you can actually be the best version you can be for other people, so that they can enjoy you more, they can appreciate you more, you can make them feel better about themselves. Is that selfish? I don't think so. No, it's not selfish behaviour, it's you empowering yourself to be the best version of yourself. That's what meditation does. It's not selfish behaviour at all. So it's really, I think it's really important. It really helped to change my life and helped me to deal with all different types of people. When I'm out doing classes, you can find many people in many different states of consciousness, and it's helped me to develop a skill to see where they're at and help them move to a place of higher consciousness, which is what we're all striving to do, right? We're all trying to get our consciousness higher so that we can solve the problems in our lives, which is what Einstein says, you can't solve the problem with the same consciousness it was created with. So we're trying to raise our consciousness through meditation. If you haven't tried it already, I've got a 5 meditation technique webinar that you can try. It's absolutely free. Click the link below. Also, I'll run Qigong classes here twice a week, so you can try that. If you subscribe and you ring the bell, you'll get notifications for that. And I'll see you in the next video.